Can Elon Musk make up his mind? Let's talk cryptocurrency.
No.
Dogecoin jumping on renewed support. I think we all know the answer to that. Elon Musk adding to what has been, well, I think because of him, a volatile week for digital currencies. Musk in the tweet talking about the fact that he's working, Alex, with Dogecoin developers, Dogecoin developers, as I would say, to improve system transaction.
Are you guys all in on Dogecoin? If you are, then be sure to smash the like button below. Dogecoin is coming to Coinbase Global, the company said on Thursday during a call with investors and analysts to discuss its first quarter performance. The plan is to list Dogecoin in the next 6 to 8 weeks, said CEO Brian Armstrong. The Coinbase coin, minus 2.44% boss, said that there is a need to accelerate the process of how the platform adds new digital assets to its suite of offerings. Dogecoin, a stock with a stratospheric rise in value so far this year, has been added by a number of rival platforms in recent weeks. Coinbase's main offerings include Bitcoin, 2.43%, and Ethereum's Ether coins, 10.06%, but it has steadily grown its plate of crypto assets. The report on its plans to offer Dogecoin come as the crypto platform reported first quarter earnings of $3.05 per share, or $771.51 million, on revenue of $1.8 billion from $585 million in the previous period. The results were mostly in line with investor expectations and matched the company's preliminary report that was released ahead of its April 14 listing on the Nasdaq, 2.31%. Investors were expecting Coinbase to report EPS of about $3.07 on revenue of $1.814 billion, according to a consensus of analysts' estimates pulled by FactSet as of May 12. Coinbase shares closed down over 6.5% Thursday, but in extended trade were flat at last check. Dogecoin prices have been on a major downtrend after hitting a record near 75 cents on Saturday, the day that crypto bull and big Dogecoin supporter Elon Musk hosted SNL. At last check, Dogecoin was changing hands at 48 cents, up 21%, after Musk tweeted again about the crypto Thursday afternoon. Dogecoin was down 12% earlier in the day and is up more than 8,200% year-to-date. That compares with relatively mundane moves this year in more established assets. On Thursday, Bloomberg News reported that the Binance was being investigated by the IRS. Now for Dogecoin millionaire, Pro the Doge is still holding on to Doge. He invested over $180,000 in Dogecoin on February 5, when it was priced at about 4.5 cents, and hasn't looked back. I had already anticipated that Dogecoin would drop, Pro the Doge says, and sure enough it happened. Indeed, after reaching an all-time high of about 73 cents on Saturday in anticipation of Elon Musk's appearance on SNL, Dogecoin then fell below 50 cents as the Tesla CEO called the cryptocurrency a hustle. On Thursday, Dogecoin continued its decline below 40 cents after Musk announced that Tesla would no longer accept Bitcoin as payment for its vehicles over environmental concerns. But the price then started to go up again Thursday night after Musk tweeted that he's working with Doge devs to improve system transaction efficiency, potentially promising. Musk had recently taken a Twitter poll as to whether Tesla should accept Dogecoin. This volatility is a reason why experts are very skeptical of Dogecoin, even more than other cryptocurrencies, saying it's highly speculative and a so-called meme trade based on social media buzz. They warn that investors could get burned, but the volatility doesn't worry Pro the Doge, and he's very bullish on the meme-inspired cryptocurrency long-term. In fact, he has since spent more money buying the dip. On Sunday, for example, he invested another $17,500 when Dogecoin was trading around 47 cents, he says. The Doge millionaire is confident that Dogecoin will remain a top cryptocurrency, he says, even though it started as a joke in 2013 based on the Doge meme of a Shiba Inu dog. People always ask me, why are you so bullish? Why do you think Dogecoin is going to take over? He says. I believe that memes are the language of the millennials. Memes are the language of our generation, of Gen Z. I truly believe that. If Musk allows Tesla to accept Dogecoin, which some think his most recent tweet signals, that's going to be the biggest catalyst ever, he says. That would just flip everything on its head. Nonetheless, cryptocurrency is a risky investment, according to experts, because the price is highly volatile. Experts warn investors to proceed with caution before buying Dogecoin, deeming its rally to be highly speculative, and advise that people should only invest money that they can afford to lose. Dogecoin is currently trading at around 49 cents with a market value of $63 billion, according to CoinMarketCap. Honks for watching, bros. That is all for this video.
This coin that they're going to be offering trading in, which you mentioned, which is Dogecoin. And Dogecoin getting a boost from that news, but also getting a boost. Elon Musk is in there again, tweeting about a cryptocurrency. He said, working with Doge developers to improve system transaction efficiency, potentially promising. And he also said that Tesla, remember, would stop accepting Bitcoin, but he's talked about maybe, I don't know, maybe Doge will be accepted. So, you know, once again, we have here the whims of Elon Musk determining cryptocurrency. There was an interesting story on Reuters this morning, which is also on the Yahoo Finance platform, which talks about, you know, is he running into regulatory troubles? And Dennis Kelleher of Better Markets saying, well, it might be, you know, I'm paraphrasing here, it might be a bad idea for him to be doing this, but it's not illegal. But it is interesting when one person, as we talked about yesterday, has such power to move these markets. Brian, you want to weigh in on this?
Yeah, it really is just interesting to see how he can put out these tweets. I'm still trying to wrap my head around it. Should he be putting it out? Why is it being monitored? Why does he have to put it out? But ultimately, it is interesting to see him put out these types of tweets because you have to wonder, is he going to be trading in the Bitcoin in his balance sheet for Dogecoin? What does that mean to Tesla shareholders? I think Tesla shareholders really need to start paying a little bit more attention to what he's doing in terms of crypto.
I don't know, good, bad, like, do those words mean anything when we're talking about Elon Musk's tweets? Are they even relevant, Miles?
Well, I mean, I certainly, so when he tweeted, what was that, on Wednesday night, he tweeted the initial thing, there was this whole, you know, faction that was like, it's a joke, Elon doesn't mean anything he says. I mean, I'm sympathetic to that, given that we're now, 36 hours later, and he continues to tweet things that are kind of half-baked. Like, does he seriously mean this about Dogecoin? Is this a bit? You know, the going private thing was kind of real, but it was also kind of a bit. Then the story was that he was driving while he sent the tweet. So I think the thing is, there's no 4D chess. Elon just kind of tweets things that he thinks when he thinks of them. We can then go back and say, why is he thinking about these specific things at these specific times? Does it look to some people like market manipulation? Sure. Is it? I don't know. That kind of requires intent. Doesn't seem like he has a lot of it. He sort of just freeforms his way through the internet. So, you know, another day, Elon, more content served up to the folks here in financial media, and we'll do another version of it on Tuesday when he tweets something else.
Exactly. I would take the side that he believes everything he's tweeting in the moment that he's tweeting it, maybe.
But hasn't
maybe
thought
not.
about how much he believes it. And so therefore, how much do you, as an outsider, need to care about how much he believes it in that moment that he tweeted when he believed it?
I feel like I need the meme right now with the math behind me.